new Shackles Voodoo Blue for my Toyota Tacoma. Well, good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. That's right, today is paint day for these shackles that I got for my Voodoo Blue Tacoma. Now you may notice they're in red. Now, why did I get red? I could have gotten black or silver or whatever and then just painted that. I got red because I like the finish that's on these already, to be honest. And they came with a black pen. You guys can see here. Now I wanted the black pen, so that means I don't have to do any painting on the pen, and that's cool. I didn't want to have to do that. If I'd have gotten one that was silver or black or whatever, I would have had to paint at least the D-ring part and probably the pen on a silver one anyway. So that's why I got red. We're going to just touch this a little bit with sandpaper just to kind of mar the finish up a little bit, I guess, so that our Voodoo Blue paint will adhere well to it, because this is going to be on the front of my Tacoma, exposed to everything, the elements, rocks, whatever. So this is my little setup here. I wanted to be able to hang these so I could spray them, and this should work just fine, although probably going to have overspray on my little containers and buckets and things here, but that's okay, because in the end these will be Voodoo Blue. So I'm going to grab some sandpaper. We're going to, like I said, just kind of rough these up a little bit, not a ton, just so that I can have some good adhesion for the Voodoo Blue paint. Okay, for this I'm just using, this is an 80 grit. It's just some sandpaper I had around. I didn't go buy anything special for this. So we're just going to kind of mar it up a little bit. That's all I really want to do, right? Okay, got my little contraption all set up, got the paint all shaken. Let's do some painting. Oops, right in front of you guys. Sorry. Coat number 1, done. We're going to let this dry for, doesn't even say on the can, I think for about 20 minutes I think I'll go for. And then we'll come back on and do coat number 2. Coat number 2. Okay, that is coat number 2, 20 minutes. Coat number 3. Okay, coat number 3. Starting to run out of paint. I don't know if I have enough for 4 coats. Okay, 20 more minutes. Coat number 4 will be coming up. Coat number 4, we're almost done. That's it. We're going to stop while we're ahead. Okay, that's it. 4 coats of paint on these puppies. Burned almost a whole can, and this is looks like about 4.22 ounces. So I love it. Looks good. It's got to be almost a perfect match if it isn't. I mean, you guys can see right there, little horrible lighting there to see it, but almost a perfect match, I think, if not a perfect match. So next up, we let these things dry for about, I'm gonna let them dry for at least 2 to 3 days, maybe longer. It's very hot and humid here, so it might take longer, but we'll let it dry, and then we'll have the install video coming up as soon as everything dries off. Much quicker process for you guys than it is for me. Anyway, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you like them? What do you think of the color? I'd be curious. Also, I'll leave a link down below if anybody's interested in these things. You can pick them up. Not too badly priced. I don't recall the price off the top of my head, but it wasn't horrible. And if you haven't before and you're interested, check out my other channel. It's about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. right out there bathing in the sun. And that channel is called RobMotive. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss the exciting conclusion of the shackle install. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye. So that our Voodoo Blue plane, our